Okay, this problem is asking us to do two things. It's asking us to use a tape diagram to solve the problem, and then to justify by using the description of ratios, the description of equivalent ratios. So, the first thing I'm going to do is identify the primary ratio, 5 to 6. And what does the 5 represent? That tells us the value of walnuts. And the 6 represents the number of cashews. Okay, and the first strategy that they wanted us to use was a tape diagram. My tape diagram always matches the ratio. So none of the other values matter right now. I just need to create a tape diagram that's going to match. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is my walnuts to cashews. Okay, now they've given us a total value. They said to determine the amount of walnuts that are in the bag if there are 54 cashews. So here's my cashews, and there are 54. So if I have 54 cashews, I need to break that into 6 equal parts. What operation do we use to break a whole number into equal parts? You would divide. So we're taking 54 and dividing that into 6 equal groups, and that is 9. So there are 9 in each group. Now because these parts are equal, that means there's also 9 in each of these. So a bag of mixed nuts with a 5 to 6 walnut to cashew ratio, if it has 54 cashews, how many walnuts does it have? There are 5 groups with 9 in each group. 5 times 9 is 45. There are 45 walnuts per bag. Double check to make sure that we've answered the question. Determine the amount of walnuts that are in the bag if there are 54 cashews. Okay, we've done that. We used the tape diagram to support our work. And now we need to justify our answer by showing that the new ratio that we've created is equal to the 5 to 6 ratio. This is when our A to B is that equal to C to D? And if so, what is our positive value C? Okay, the A to B ratio is 5 to 6. Is that equal to 45 to 54? Now, what is our positive value C? 5 times what number is 45? You can look right here and see 5 times 9. So our positive value C is 9. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. So we have created equivalent ratios. That matches our new ratio, and so now we have used the description of equivalent ratios to prove this is pre-algebra. Use this information to move over to the homework page. It's asking you to do just this for the problems. Number 1 says use a diagram, such as a tape diagram. Or the description of ratios. which is this, to prove that 2 to 3 is equal to 4 to 6 and 8 to 12. Thanks and good luck.